This is the second part of our tutorial. We made our bottle in the first one, so let's continue. Open your project. Under materials, add new material. Let's call it glass. Here, select glass BSDF. Lower your roughness. Select shading. And first, here, select world. So you're going to add an HDRI. Shift A, texture, environment texture. Open, select the HDRI you want. Let's select this one. It's going to be linked. Open image. Connect color to color. And if you have your node Wrangler, Control T to add mapping and coordinates. So now when you select render, you can move this so better suit your lighting. Let's do something like here so it's visible. So let's do 250. Now you have to go under render properties and switch render engine to cycles. So now you can see your bottle. We can select our bottle again. So let's select here object, and we're going to shift A and search for displacement. We're going to connect displacement, and we are going to connect our image. So select the image you want. Let's select this image and select non-color. You can see, go back to the UV editing. You can see how it looks. Also, we need to select the parts we want with our image under our image. Go to 1. Let's select 2 so we can select edges, and let's uncheck our subdivision for surface for now, and we can do something like interesting. Let's do something interesting like it's over the side. You can select whatever you want. Press U and mark C. Let's select this part. So like this trapezoid shape. U and mark C. Select 3. And when you do U and unwrap, this is how this part looks like. Go over there, select A and S to scale. Rotate. We're going to rotate -90. G to grab and move. Let's select this part. U to unwrap just this part. A, rotate 90. G to grab. Let's move it here. Let's scale it a little bit. G to grab and move it. When we select all, you can have this part in the white where you don't have your image, and these parts over your images. So go back to layout, select your subdivision and select your render view. So this is how it looks like. You can see like embossed. Now we want to duplicate our bottle. So duplicate it once, press X, hold and duplicate once more. Now you want to go to the shading. Duplicate your material now. You can see it in the rendered view. Let's delete this image and open another one. Let's open another image. Select non-color and go back to the UV editing. This is how it looks like. Part, select L to select linked. So S to scale, G to grab it and move it here. Select the middle part L to select linked ones, G to grab, move them. L link ones, let's move them over white part. Now go back to layout. Now we're going to duplicate this material and we are going to change our image. So select another one and go to the UV editing. Let's do the same thing. So we're selecting the part and moving it. Let's do the same. G to grab, S to scale, and position it. Looks okay right now, so let's check how it looks. Go to rendered view, and these are bottles. Let's quickly set up our scene. We're going to add a plane, scale it, and we're going to extrude and bevel this part, add material, and we're also going to position our camera, so we're aligning it to view. We're going to change our size and adjust the position, and just press F12 to render this. If you made it to the end, you're going to have something that looks like this. And make sure you follow for more.